welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, third time lucky for this introduction. Fingers crossed it works this time. Right, so this video is part of lovely Lula's 13 Days of Halloween. Lula is Nerd Goblin Art. There will be a playlist linked below for the collaboration and Lula. She's amazing, as is everyone else who's taking part in this collaboration. So the aim is to do 13 videos across 13-day period. Doesn't have to be resin. In fact, keep watching my videos. This might be it, this might be not. I'm lazy, so just a bit of a preface. This is the same introduction that's going to be for every single video, so I'm going to keep it short, or try to. 11 of the videos are resin, one's eco-pour, and one's painting. I don't know which videos today, you'll just have to wait and see. Right, so as I said, 13 Days of Halloween, playlist linked below. This video, again, because I'm lazy, is video number, Chris to insert the number about here. Right, and I will get straight into the videos. Hope you enjoy. Hello, welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. That's not the Crafty Rat. Let's say hello.
Hi.
Right, so James is doing this video. Now, I don't know if this is going to be the first of the three or not, so apologies for repeating myself. I have these three moulds. Hear no evil, speak no evil, see no evil. And the little pots. So what I've conscripted my kids to do is do one of each. And what I'm trying to do is to just see how similar or not they are when they're done. So there's no right or wrong. It is what it is, and I'm hoping that the kids have fun whilst doing it. Now, Ella did hers quite a while ago. Amelia's doing hers after James has done his. It's been a while, so he's had a bit of time to think about it, and he knows what he's going to do. Do you want to explain what you're doing? Because I don't fully understand it.
To be honest, neither do I.
Okay,
I'm just going to wing it.
Yep, that works for me. Right, so I shall leave you to Chris's music and you will watch James have some fun. Right.
James the rat, he's on the prowl under the moon. Hear his growl, skulls to find, brains to eat. Tap, tap, tapping his little feet. James the rat, oh, here he comes. Hunting skulls, he wants the crumbs. Not quite zombie, not quite tame. Dancing resin, he's got no shame. No shame, no shame. Cheese is fine, but brains are gold in the dark. His tail is tall, slink and slither, sharp and sly. James the rat, he's fly.
guys.
Hi.
Right, so we've just James has literally just walked in from school. He's got dressed, and since today is Monday the 29th, if you watch, I think it'll be tomorrow's 13. I've also done Amelia's demold already. So this is James's, and I think this one's here. No evil. Right, so this is what he did yesterday. Do you want to do the excess first?
Okay.
Right, so because I don't have a switching sponge, literally to clean the brushes off, I just wipe them into moulds. And there's not a lot of colour there. Ooh, I like it that. But there's enough. Right, so that was his spare. Is that all the spare we had for you?
Yes.
Oh, well, that's fine. I thought we had more. Right, so I'm going to get James to demold. This is just Witness's sister demold hers, which you'll see tomorrow. His younger sister. So hopefully he'll be able to...
I mean, at this point, they're both my little sisters.
Yeah, his older sister, Ella the eldest, is a little bit shorter, isn't she? However, I must state they are all taller than me.
I don't tell. I love you.
Did you guys hear that?
I love you, but it doesn't exactly take much.
No, it doesn't. I am a little shorter. But there's nothing wrong with being short.
Short queen. I'm just trying to save myself at this point. Love you.
Love you too, darling. So yeah, James is doing this now. Elle's already done her skull. Can't remember which one she did, but she's done hers. However, she's doing another project you may or may not have seen so far in this collaboration, because she's done a skull, but she's also done something else, which she will be demolding when she gets home from cadets tonight. Ooh. Yay!
Yeah.
Right, so the whole aim in these was just to see how similar or different they'd be. But that's turned out really well. Are you just going to enlighten anyone who's watching this video?
Oh, about the link I made?
Yeah. But don't give too much away about the other twos.
Okay.
Just give your link.
So, my two colours I chose because me and my siblings did a sibling brain thing, and they're linked to a certain band.
Yeah, well, okay, maybe James and Ella's are kind of the same band. Lou's was just...
Yeah, this was...
He came up with a link with it, so yeah. So all I'm going to say is something to do with One Direction. That's all you need to know. Right, so let's have a look at this. Pull my sleeve up. That yellow's turned out really nice.
Yeah.
And we added, James asked for a solid white, so we got some mica that was added to the white, but that's turned out really well. I'm there moving it around and it's not even under camera. That. Right, so let James and myself know what you think to this. Upcoming will be Chris's glamour shots. Yeah, if you've liked this video, please like and comment below. It'd mean a lot, not just to me, but to James as well. James is really getting into this resin making, and he's actually proving to be very good at it.
I want to do something for my birthday.
Well, that's upcoming, so keep an eye out for that. Right, so yeah, please like and comment. In the description below, there's a link to the playlist. Please go check out all the other videos. All the other artists so far in this collaboration are absolutely amazing. Lula's, as mentioned previously, Lula's running this. Again, she's a superstar. She's amazing. So yeah, in the description there's a link to the playlist, there's a link to the products that I generally use. There are some discount codes as well for those wanting to save some money. And finally, I will take a breath, there is also a link to my Amazon wishlist and buy me a coffee. They're just there for if you feel you can or want to support. Not essential. All I ask is if you can subscribe, please do. It's free. Right, so I appreciate you watching. Thank you, thanks for the time, and I will catch you for the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stained with the art she weaves, a touch of magic in the things she